Hello everyone, welcome back to One to Step. Today, I'll be helping you learn how to create Kakao Talk account. Keep watching the video till the end, and if you are not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll be instantly notified as soon as we post a new video. Kakao Talk, commonly referred to as Ka Talk in South Korea, is a mobile messaging app for smartphones operated by Kakao Corporation. It is available on mobile and desktop platforms as well. To sign up for Kakao Talk, make sure you've downloaded the app. If not, go to your Play Store for your Android and App Store for your iOS application and search for Kakao Talk. As soon as you find the app, download it onto your device, and after it is done, tap open the application. Kakao Talk needs following permissions in order to move forward. Tap on Accept to allow access to your contact, to make and manage phone calls, and to access your photo media and files. On the next page, tap on the Sign Up button in order to create an account. Agree to all the terms and conditions and tap on Agree and Continue. Select your country from the drop-down menu and enter your phone number. After you're done, tap on OK. Now it says that you'll receive a verification code to this phone number. If you want to change your phone number, if you have typed it in incorrect, then now is the time. Tap on Cancel and recorrect your phone number. If you're okay with the phone number, simply tap on OK on the pop-up and wait for the verification code. After it arrives, it will automatically take you to a next page where you can enter a password for your account. Type in a password that is strong and at least 8 characters long. In the next field, confirm the password by retyping it again and tap on OK. You can upload a picture of yours by tapping on the camera icon, and you can choose a picture from your gallery or upload a default image. After you're done, tap on the name text field and type in your name. Enter your birthday information. Since it's an optional, you can choose not to as well. You can select your gender if you want. If not, then you can just skip the step and tap on OK. On the next page, add an email. Make sure to type in a valid email address. If you want to use the collection and use of personal information from the app, then tap on this box, and if not, you can simply uncheck it, or you can even skip this step for now by tapping on skip. Let me tap on send verification email and tap on OK. Now you'll need to go check your email, and a verification code will be sent to you on your email as well. Simply open the email and copy the verification code, go back to the app and paste the verification code right here and tap on OK. And with this, you've signed up for Kakao Talk. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.